Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, you will see an extreme laundry makeover. We are going to install cabinets and decorate this whole room, and guess what? You don't want to miss it. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Jessica. I make cleaning motivation, home decor, and lifestyle videos. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate your support.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no.
As you can see, this laundry room is a hot mess. So I am very excited to install the cabinets and have it more organized. Also, there's going to be a second part to this video. The second part is going to be me organizing the cabinets. So I'm so excited for that one too. Be on the lookout for that one. You don't want to miss it.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todas esas voces que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un...
So right now, I'm going to be taking down these shelves so that way I have a clear canvas and I can just go ahead and screw the new cabinets.
origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Somos Adán y Eva, y estoy listo pa' tomar el castigo. Yeah. Y todo lo prohibido y los pecados que tú y yo hemos cometido. Pasan por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo.
I'm actually going to be cutting this shelf because it is way too big and it's not fitting in. So I have to make it a little bit smaller so it fits perfectly. And also the cabinets, I got them from Home Depot and they were very inexpensive.
Disfruto el show, bebé, alright. Cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.
Okay, since I love to clean, I noticed that my vent was super dirty and I said, you know what, I cannot have a brand new laundry room with that ugly thing looking like that. No thank you. So of course I had to clean it, and I wanted to protect my clothes, so I went ahead and put a towel around me just so I wouldn't get anything on my clothes. To install the cabinets, I'm going to be using these kind of screws. They do have screws specifically for cabinets, but since I have these, I said, well, why not? Why go spend more money if I already have some? And I'm going to pre-screw them to the cabinets. That way it's easier to just place them, screw them to the wall, pretty much. I'm going to be using the tape method to make sure that both of my knobs are going to be nice and even, because you don't want uneven knobs.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all?
At this point, I already went ahead and patched the holes that the last shelf left us, and now the wall was painted and everything, and I also painted the knobs gold because they were stainless steel color and I wanted them gold. And this is the kind of spray paint I use. You can find it at Walmart, and it should be around $3.99.
I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your...
I got all my decorations from Home Goods, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys all the prices. That way you guys know exactly how much I spent.
Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try, even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. To prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't believe you, no. 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 Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no.
Okay guys, so this was my laundry makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the way it turned out. I hated the look of the shelves and displaying everything. It was just too, no, unorganized. It looked ugly. This gives me peace. It looks beautiful. I can relax while I'm doing laundry. Now I love doing laundry. It's the little things in life. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again on my next video. Thank you so much for all the support. I'll see you again next time.